Hello and welcome to the pliXos video tutorial. In the next few minutes you will get a brief overview of the features of our free B2B Marketplace for outsourcing of software development projects from a customer's perspective. You can access our marketplace at pliXos.com/market or via the marketplace logo on the front page of our website pliXos.com. First of all, you have to enter your main contact details in order to apply for registration. Please select Customer since you want to search for service providers and issue tenders. After clicking on the Submit button, you will get an automated email from b2badmin@pliXos.com to confirm your registration. If you do not get this message within 30 minutes, please check a spam or contact your IT support. As you can see, there is a confirmation link in this mail. Please click on it or copy the whole link in your browser and enter a password of your choice to finish your registration process. Please be patient since it may take up to 24 hours until your account is activated by us. You get a notification via email as soon as this is finished. As soon as your account is activated, you can log in by clicking this gray button and entering your email and password. When you are logged in, you can see that our marketplace is divided in 5 categories: My pliXos, Business Case, Post Tender, Find Provider, and Knowledge Base. Moreover, My pliXos is divided in further subcategories. Those are My Projects, My Details, Favorite Providers, and the option to send us your ideas of improvement or to rate the site. First of all, please update your profile under the subcategory My Details. Here you can enter details about your company and your contact information. Please keep in mind that a detailed profile with all topics filled leaves the best impression to potential service providers and allows them to contact you in case invited. In general, only a customer is able to search for providers and invite them, not the other way around. You don't have to worry about unwanted requests from providers. After finishing your profile, you may want to search for providers within our database. Just go to Find Provider and select criteria matching your interest. You're not obligated to establish criteria in every field. That means, if you don't have a specific requirement, for example regarding the programming languages, you don't have to enter information about it in the list. After selecting the criteria and clicking Next on the bottom right, a list with matching providers appears. Now you can select the ones you are interested in and click See Details. When scanning the details of the providers, you can add them to your favorites for later usage by simply clicking on Add to Favorites. If you want to look at the list of your favorite providers, just go to My pliXos and click on the button Favorite Providers. Moreover, you can delete some of them by clicking Remove from Favorites here. Now let's move on to the next category, Post Tender, where you can create a tender about your project and invite providers to participate in it. There are 3 options how to run a tender. The first option is creating the tender by yourself with uploading your own standard documents. The second option is using the pliXos Tender Manager. The third and last option is asking pliXos to prepare your tender by the Tender Manager. The Tender Manager is one of our pliXos online tools which controls all phases of preparing the tender document through to the evaluation of tenders. That means it allows you to structure your questions and evaluate sponsors easily. Therefore, the Tender Manager reduces the effort for the tender management of complex projects and helps you to save time and money. If you want further information about the Tender Manager or a free trial, you can email us via info@pliXos.com or visit pliXos.com/products. Regardless of whether you choose to prepare the tender by yourself or with the help of the Tender Manager, we ask you to provide basic information about your project, ranging from the name of your project down to the deadline. The functionality to search for providers fitting your project is identical to the one provided under the category Find Provider, as already explained. Click Next at the bottom of the page when you're finished and you will see a list of suitable providers. In order to get detailed information about the displayed companies, select them here and click on See Details. After choosing which companies to invite for participation in your project, you just have to mark them by clicking Select for Tender. When you finish selecting your shortlist, click to Tender Process. If you have chosen to upload your own document in the previous step, you are now able to upload the relevant information regarding your project. Please note that a maximum size of 20 MB is allowed for all 3 documents. Aside from that, you can create your own wireframes with the help from our partner Pidoco here. When you finished uploading your documents, please click Submit. The providers you selected will be notified by email and will have access to your tender via the marketplace. You can check the status of responses by those providers anytime under the category My pliXos. You just have to click on your project in order to see if you received any offers. Once you receive some proposals, you can download those by clicking on the attachments. After analyzing the proposal of the providers, you can award the contract to your favored provider. Next step is to prepare a fitting contract. In case you're interested, we are happy to assist you in preparing a contract or to take over the whole responsibility by choosing us as a prime contractor. Of course, you can prepare your own contract if you want to. As a last step, it would be nice to let us know why you've chosen a particular provider. This information will be treated in full confidence and will only be used to improve our services. If you are done, please click Submit. After this step, you have the option to try our Outsourcing Director. This tool helps you to retain control over the project development process for the whole project team, regardless of locations. That means it brings clients and service providers together in order to assure that the project is delivered in time and in high quality. Moreover, it provides automated reportings of standardized system of key performance indicators, which allows transparency on the project's actual status, ensures the identification of any upcoming issues and enables potential options considered as countermeasures, and flags any potential for optimization at an early stage. Therefore, using the Outsourcing Director prevents your projects from failing and can save you costs up to 20% by optimizing the cooperation of the project participants. If you are interested in trying this online tool, click Try Outsourcing Director and we will contact you to grant you access. Moreover, feel free to contact us via info@pliXos.com for further information about this pliXos product. If you are not interested in trying this tool, click Do it on your own and process. Now let's move to the next category, Business Case, which contains a special feature for our B2B Marketplace, in particular of value customers being new to offshoring. Like the title says, there is the option to create your own business case with the help of our Outsourcing Advisor Lite, which is a simplified version of one feature of the pliXos product, Outsourcing Advisor. With this tool, you will be able to do a rough calculation of cost savings to be realistically obtained by you when awarding a specific project to a service provider. You just have to enter realistic assumptions for key parameters of your project and click Results. Now you see a graphic which shows how long it takes for your expenses to be amortized, as well as your cumulative and non-cumulative savings after a certain period of time. If you want a sophisticated and meaningful economic analysis in order to improve and accelerate the development of your outsourcing strategy, you can request the full version of the pliXos Outsourcing Advisor here. This tool performs comprehensive calculation of the cost of an IT outsourcing project, the analysis of the suitability of outsourcing of complex IT processes and projects, and informed assessment of outsourcing sites and potential partners. That means the Outsourcing Advisor can reduce the time for conducting a sophisticated strategic IT outsourcing analysis from a few months to a few hours, and so save up to 90% of the costs. If you're interested in trying this online tool, click Use Outsourcing Advisor and we will contact you to grant you access. Of course, you can also email us via info@pliXos.com for further information about this product or visit pliXos.com/products. If you are interested in white papers or presentations dealing with specific topics of IT outsourcing, you can go to the category Knowledge Base or visit our website pliXos.com. An extension of this knowledge base will come soon. For further requests or questions, feel free to contact us via info@pliXos.com. We are always glad about feedback and ideas of improvement.